President Biden will put forward the first black woman nominee for the nation's highest court. The president confirmed he'll keep that campaign promise today at the White House as outgoing Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer officially announced his retirement. The president says the historic move is long overdue.
The person I will nominate will be someone with extraordinary qualifications, character, experience, and integrity. And that person will be the first black woman ever nominated to the United States Supreme Court.
With Justice Breyer at his side for the announcement, the president said he plans to pick somebody who lives up to his legacy. He praised Justice Breyer's service on the court, called him the model public servant at a time of great division. Justice Breyer himself appeared to give some perspective on those divisions, calling the United States a complicated country. He recited excerpts from the Gettysburg Address, a speech President Lincoln gave during the Civil War.
We are now engaged in a great civil war to determine whether that nation or any nation so conceived and so dedicated can long endure.
He noted that the founders thought of this as a great experiment. He said he believes our country still is just that, and that its fate relies on the next generation of Americans.
They'll determine whether the experiment still works, and of course, I am an optimist, and I'm pretty sure it will.
Pretty sure it will. CNBC senior White House correspondent Kayla Tausche on our top story tonight. Kayla?
Shep, a momentous and at times emotional occasion for two friends and former colleagues to stand side by side, reflecting on Justice Breyer's legacy as he gives President Biden the opportunity to shape his.
Choosing someone to sit in the Supreme Court, I believe, is one of the most serious constitutional responsibility a president has. Our process is going to be rigorous. I will select a nominee worthy of Justice Breyer's legacy of excellence and decency.
President Biden has already been reviewing candidates and their legal writings and will be consulting in the coming days with outside advocates, attorney advisors, and key members of the administration. A small sounding board that includes Vice President Kamala Harris, Chief of Staff Ron Klain, Cedric Richmond, who manages public engagement, as well as the top legislative director and legal counsel. Senator Dick Durbin, who chairs the Senate's Judiciary Committee, says Klain called him yesterday morning to inform him of Justice Breyer's retirement.
I asked Mr. Klain, do you have a nominee? He said, we're in the process. No one's been chosen yet. So it's a little early to predict the timetable for this hearing.
Since 1975, 17 jurists have been nominated with an average of 68 days from selection to final Senate vote. There's about twice that amount of time between February to the end of the court's current term. The justices confirmed by Presidents Obama and Trump ranged from nearly 3 months for Justices Kagan and Kavanaugh to a lightning-fast 27 days for Justice Amy Coney Barrett. It will be a swift and politically fraught stretch. President Biden's own Supreme Court Commission report noting the partisan conflict is especially bitter in election years. Shep?